Yes, YouTube, welcome back again. Consolidation, boring price action. At the moment, nothing is really happening actually. We came for buy side liquidity, we came for sell side liquidity, and we're still floating in this range for a couple of days now, right? What I showed you guys on my X profile is that you can see that a Wyckoff cycle is playing out now at the moment. We accumulated, we retraced the 786 on the daily time frame to see some upside and to eventually come back in consolidation phase again, right? So what I'm expecting now for BTC is to grab sell side liquidity one more time to the upside to eventually dump and fill this fair value gap. I prepared the chart for you guys to explain you guys what I mean and what I'm expecting, and that's a little bit it for today. It's boring. I want to show you guys some TA and some knowledge about what's happening on the chart. And if you like this video, please like it, subscribe to my channel. Let's see if we can get 200 likes on this video. So guys, with that said, let's go to the chart. So as you guys can see now, we're watching at BTC to USDT again, and what I just explained to you guys about the Wyckoff cycle is that this was the accumulation phase with a lot of manipulation. So what you see actually is that they grab liquidity, 786 retracement to see upside and to be in a consolidation phase again, right? So what I'm expecting now for BTC is to see one more sweep up to grab sell side liquidity, retrace the 786 on this Fibonacci retracement to see eventually more downside. We have still this fair value gap on the bottom of this bull flag actually. And what I want to see actually, once we have bearish order flow and we retrace the 786 bearish or recreating a lower highs after lower highs, to see a retracement on the 618 at 108.2k actually. That's the thing now for now. Again, very boring price action for BTC. You can see that this is also an Adam and Eve double top bearish sign actually. So if you want to measure the next target after this Adam and Eve double top plays out, so that should fill our fair value gap actually. We retrace the 618 here to retrace the 786 bearish to see more downside and come to the 618 on the daily time frame. So guys, again, take some rest, enjoy your days, be nice to each other, and take this time to accumulate some energy actually. I'm still a little bit sick, so but it gets better every day, so that's something positive, right? In case of altcoins, what you can see now actually on the dominance chart is that we start dropping again. So there's a possibility that the money flows into altcoins again now, right? So what you can see on DOGE is that DOGE is holding nicely after a 786 retracement on daily support, and that Solana also holds very nicely actually. This is a bullish pattern actually. You can see that it becomes bearish, but in case of dominance it keeps dropping. So I'm expecting upside for altcoins actually. I posted this setup on DOGE on my X profile. If you want to stay updated, go follow me on X because I'm very active there. If you want to level up your trading, go to the link in the description of this video and you can choose between Discord and Telegram, and it's completely free, right? You have to follow some steps to upgrade to premium, but it's completely for free. So guys, again, with that said, quick update on BTC. I posted this this setup for DOGE on my X profile and in the Telegram group and in the Discord group. So you can see that our entry hit it yesterday. Excuse me. To see some gains now at the moment, right? But it has to break out. There has to come some volume in this market. You know, everything is a little bit low key at the moment. So just be patient. You know, don't rush. If you want to enter DOGE, this is a very nice level to enter a long position on DOGE with dropping dominance, right? So guys, I thank you all for watching. You know, like my video, subscribe to my channel, and join the crypto gainers. If you want to trade zero fees, go to the link in description, Maxi, zero fees, and you're good to go. So guys, with that said, I thank you all for watching. Stay safe, make profits, and God bless you all. See you in my next video.